summer, don't let me wait. You said every road ran into the sea, every wave kept a place for me. Your hand in mine felt easy as the breeze, like we'd always been 17. Salt in the air and stars on the pier, nobody wondering why we were here. Funny how time gets softer each year, till it sounds like the songs we hear. Meet where the boardwalk bends, ocean breeze and fleeting friends. Stay a while. Hold the light. Summer skies and painted eyes, laugh like July. Stay a while. Everything feels right. Washing onto the shore, every tide leaves a little bit more. I swear I've seen that smile before, though I can't find it anymore. Every old song knows what to say, every sunset looks the same way. Maybe the heart just edits the day till the truth slowly fades away. Meet where the boardwalk bends, ocean breeze and fleeting friends. Come with me. Smile again. Cotton clouds and carnival lights, hold on to tonight. Come with me before it slips away. Don't slow down. Blue above, green below. Blue above, green below. Almost flying, almost home. Meet where the boardwalk bends, ocean breeze and fleeting friends. Stay a while. Hold the light. If we never spent that day, why does it feel this way? Stay a while. Everything feels right. The picture smiled, nobody did. The summer stay, we never lived it.